There's a million burger recipes out there, but for me, this is my ultimate bacon cheeseburger. I start with some very finely chopped onion. My secret ingredient is Marmite, just a teaspoon or two for a savoury hit, some dried herbs, a little seasoning. Then I tip in some really good quality minced beef and combine it nice and evenly, but quite gently to avoid overworking the beef. Then roll it into balls and press them flat between your hands. When you're ready to cook, you just need to grill the burgers for about 3 or 4 minutes on each side over a medium heat. I adopt a strict one-turn policy with my burgers because it helps the underside caramelise beautifully and it stops them falling apart. I'm giving the mayo for these burgers an extra kick with a squeeze of sriracha sauce and a good whack of smoked paprika, simply stirred together. Once the burgers are turned onto their second side, it's time to cook some bacon on the grill. And with about a minute to go, lay some cheese slices on the burgers so it starts to melt. Then you just need to lay your split burger buns on the grill just to toast them really lightly. Then you're ready to build your burger. Lettuce, burger with beautiful melting cheese, some lovely crisp bacon, and a big dollop of that gorgeous smoky mayonnaise. And then the lid on top, and that's done. My ultimate bacon cheeseburger.